welcome to my channel. This is Sierra with Sierra's Crafty Creations, and today we're going to be learning how to half double crochet in the back loop. Alright guys, so we have a little sample swatch of half double crochets made, and in the next row I'm going to be doing half double crochet in the back loop. So we've turned our work and now we're looking at the back of our work, and to half double crochet in the back loop, so this is where we normally go in, under these two little V's, right? So this is where we normally go. So to create one in the back loop, if you see this bar right here, this is the back loop. So right under here, that would be considered the back loop. So you can see it all over here, all these little ridges, these little bars, those are all going to be the back loops. So that is where you're going to place your half double crochets. So your half double crochet is going to stay the same, it's just where you're placing it. So again, this little bar back here that you can see, it creates those little ridges all across. So normally we'd put them right here in this hole where these holes are, but instead we're going to place them right in these little bars or ridges. And that's all you gotta do. And you just create your half double crochets, placing them there. And what this does is it creates, on the front of your work, it creates a nice little ridge in the front to give it some texture.